Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube video. So right now I am inside of the local fish market located in the city on 17th Avenue. Today I will be buying the red snapper that you see here. That is $5.99 a pound. Here you have your lobsters. That is the whole main lobster. That is $13.99 a pound. This fish market is pretty cheap, but somehow, some way, the shrimp today were very expensive. So no, I didn't grab any of my shrimp from there. I actually went over to Publix and to Winn-Dixie, but I ended up only getting shrimp from Winn-Dixie, which you will see later on in the video. Over here, it's the mullet fish. Me and my grandmother love this fish. We love to eat this fish with our fish and grits. It is very good, very tasty, and it is very cheap as well. This fish in this fish market is very fresh. What I do is I like to touch the eyeballs on the fish to make sure that it's fresh, and I just take a look at the fish. And that's something I just learned from my grandma pretty much. The grouper is what my mom actually cooked for breakfast. It's very good and it's very meaty.
We in Winn-Dixie, about to have eggs. So I went to the fish market earlier, but now I'm inside Winn-Dixie. I only had got my fish from out of the fish market because the price was too high and they was getting over. So now we're about to get the So now we're about to get the shrimp from out of here. See, $9.99 a pound. And they are pretty big. And then we're going to get a lobster tail. So we're just doing a shrimp boil today, probably with potatoes and sausage. And then we'll make some seafood rice, as I was saying earlier. Yeah, we ready? Yes. So this is what's about to go down. I think it'll light in y'all way, but I'm not quite sure. Y'all ready for this?
Stop playing, because Ashley don't take this serious. So we're about to do our mukbang. Mukbang. So we're gonna have it all set up, y'all. Y'all ready for it? Keitra around here somewhere.
With the B-Love sauce.
Yes.
Might do a little twist
to it. Keitra love sauce. We about to get it right. And we about to have a fish, y'all. So I'm just looking any type of way right now. It's okay. I got on my husband Nike shirt, the man go kill me. And I got on these Nike pants. And I actually just jumped out the bed, brushed my teeth, and I was trying to run from them kids, to be honest. So I came as is. I got my Dora, Bob, D-Wave going on.
The bell, Ashley. I said, come here. Okay, y'all. Wait. Okay. So this is not bad. For all of this food that we have, it's just $25 a piece, split amongst 3 people that is going to feast. And my kids going to have to give me their portions too, boo. Give me my coins, kids. Yes. Okay, y'all, so I just left the store. Let me turn my radio down because I do not, and my phone keeps dropping. Wait, how do I position this? Oh my gosh, this is annoying. Right there, I think. If it drop again, y'all, I'm just gonna resume the video once I get back home. So yeah, I just went ahead and dropped them back off to their houses. And so I'm gonna get one more chance. So I just went ahead and I dropped them back off to their houses, and I'm gonna go home, get the stuff started, so we can feast. Keitra is gonna make the sauce. The sauce be so good, y'all, I cannot lie. And we're gonna get the food started. I'm gonna fry the snapper. I did have the guy to go ahead and butterfly it and fillet it, because my kids will be eating some of the fish, and I do not want them complaining about the bones, or I don't want them to complain about the bones, and neither do I want them to choke on the bones. So I did let them fillet it, but I will be like sauteing my husband piece of fish because he don't want his fried. I'll be making seafood rice, which is gonna probably have some sausage in it. I probably will put the sausage in it, I'm not quite sure yet, but the green onions and everything like this. This guy is running a whole stop sign. Be careful when y'all driving.
So we're gonna feast, and I'm just ready, y'all. Like, the food be so good. Like, I want y'all to start, like, I sell foods on the weekends. I want y'all to start purchasing food from me. Like, the food be good. That type of good. Yeah, so I'm pulling back up to the house now. Wash my hands, and I'm about to get started, baby. I probably will show y'all how I season the fish. I'm not gonna record so much as I'm cooking, because I just don't got the time. And my little son, he's gonna be trying to take my phone anyways, and I don't feel like dealing with him. And Nita did my hair too, y'all. Nita did my hair. I just wanted to go for something short, wifey looking. And, you know, once I put on my makeup, get dressed up, baby, I'm gonna be that girl. I'm that girl now, but I'm gonna be that girl, honey. That girl. Yes, I love it. But see you guys soon. The phone ain't go off. See you guys. Yeah, y'all, we got it going on over here. I am over here shuffling this up. My bad. Sorry about my hand being in the way. But yeah. Once all of these flavors sink in together, it will be oh so delicious. Just wait. I'm hungry right now, y'all. What y'all think so far? Y'all should try making this at home. If you have any questions, I will be more than happy to walk you along the process. I'm just going to let that and leave that be. Let that saute in there. And the olive oil. Back to my fish. This is my snapper. The one on top is in season. I'm going to put that one up. But the ones on the bottom, they are filleted. And they are butterfly. And they will be going in the fryer. Right here, I have my shrimp, which is dipped in the egg and the flour. That will be going in the fryer. You will see how it come out super golden brown once I am done with it. So yeah, y'all, that's where I'm at so far. Oh, and Keitra have her sauce going on here. So the fish is frying. We have the fish frying. This is the red snapper. This is the corn, the eggs, the potatoes are done. And the sausage are done. This is the process, y'all. This is the fish that is done already. Look how golden brown it is. There we go, y'all. We in the building. Mukbang, whatever you want to call it, bang. So y'all, this is the process right here. So we have everything mixed together. We have the eggs, the sausage, the potatoes, the corn, the shrimp, of course. You ready to eat?
Very much so.
She made. Hey. Are you ready to eat, Ashley?
Yes.
Are you sexy? Mood. So we have the fried snapper here and the shrimp. Yes, y'all. It's about to go down. And then we have so this how it goes down, y'all. This is the sauce with the onions, all the seasonings. Yes. The rice, y'all can see it in the fully loaded rice with the crab meat, the shrimp, the sausage. Ooh, right there. Right there. This also darker than last time. Oh, there she go. Hey, there we go.
The dead has a reason.
Where your baby? Stop. Okay. So we got the sauce. Wait. Yeah, right down. We got the sauce. Okay, you can see the sauce. Shout out to B-Love, but shout out to my sister-in-law because this is Keetra's sauce. This is the addition of her sauce. She added some extra stuff. We cannot let y'all know the secret because
But what I want now is these kids so annoying, y'all. These kids be annoying. So look, y'all. Look how the onion. So good. It's hot. I can't use my hand with it now because it's super hot. My big mouth so. That's good.
It's not funny. Say excuse me.
Make you want to dance.
See how disgusting he is?
Right here. I'm gonna do shrimp.
Go do that
You gotta pick it up with the songs. You gotta let them sing. They're so annoying. So right now, all right, y'all, move. So right now I have the head of the fish. This is the head. The head.
You gonna try it in the sauce?
Yeah, I want to try it in the sauce. They say you can put this sauce on everything. Yeah, you can put this sauce on everything, y'all.
I need
What's the name?
lemon.
Lemon.
Oh, just a piece.
It is good.
Just a little wedge. Oh my gosh, I'm full already.
It's real good, y'all. I wish I could. Oh yeah, the sausage. I wish I could try it.
But it's just as good as the first time I had it.
Yeah, so this Ashley's second time having a sauce, and she was feeling like a crackhead, so you know it's that
Oh
good.
my gosh, she keeps saying that. We were both.
We were both. We were both. It's good, y'all. Whew. Oh yeah, here go the corn right there.
So what we gonna
When you go outside,
let's talk about
What? Right there.
that's how we gonna taste it.
Exactly. Because we can't even capture all this in a video.
Give me a fork.
Yeah. This is Ashley's job.
To the,
Okay.
what's she at?
Tell Jazz $15. These places going on sale. Advertise. Kaden, you're not going to eat all my corn. Seriously now. Stop. As for watching my video, this was the following day when I made breakfast. I did go ahead and use some of that boiled. Thank you.